Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shweta and I am back again with another exciting haul. And this time it's from a brand called Little Box. I saw this brand popping on my Instagram and their pieces instantly caught my eyes. It's super chic, wearable and perfect for everyday styling. I have picked up 6 gorgeous tops and each has completely different vibe. From classy to casual, statement sleeves to minimal basics. And I can't wait to show you how I style them effortlessly. So if you are looking to refresh your wardrobe with the versatile pieces that look premium and don't break your bank, then you are going to love this haul. So let's jump right in and start with look number 1. Let's start today's haul with this gorgeous black shirt. The moment I saw it, I knew I had to get it because this piece screams elegance with twist. This one is made in premium quality fabrics, so this looks rich and feels great on skin. This shirt has fitted silhouette with classic shirt style collar. But what makes it stand out are these long bell sleeves. They not only add some drama to the look but instantly elevates it. Just below the shirt collar, there is V neckline and button down front. I love the ruche effect on the front. It gives such a feminine and flattering touch. It gives you that nice hourglass shape without being too much. Now I styled this piece with my high-waisted straight cut jeans in this light blue color. For the accessories, I paired it with these gorgeous pearl earrings. I wore the same pendant also. In the hand, I wore this nice pearl bracelet from Atishri. For the footwear, my Carlton London black heels, and to finish the look, I picked up my Lavi structured bag in black color. This one is that perfect brunch to dinner kind of a top, minimal, elegant and super versatile. Next up, we have this classic piece in beautiful white color. This is again a shirt, but this one is in wrap style. That's what makes it stand out. Honestly, the classic white never goes out of style. It is graceful, elegant, and trust me, every wardrobe needs one white piece. Otherwise, it has classic shirt collar and long sleeves, which I rolled up for that casual look. This one has gorgeous wrap pattern where tie-up detail is given on the inside edge, and on the top part there are two gorgeous buttons. They keep everything in place perfectly. There is also this soft ruche detailing on the side panels which gives that flattering sculpted fit, and this asymmetric hemline at the front makes it stand out. I paired it with my flared light blue jeans for that casual vibe. For the accessories, my gold heart hoop earrings from Palmunas, bracelet set from Amazon. For the footwear, my clear heels, and to add a little color to this look, I paired it with my red Leno Paris bag. And I'm good to go. This one's a total power piece where it's a meeting, a brunch, or evening date night. It is a perfect mix of chic and confident. Next one is this gorgeous top in classic blue and white stripes. Such a fresh and clean combination. It is a long top with V neckline which is really deep. You have to wear something inside, and these long puff sleeves. It has this nice bell shape and balloon effect at the cuffs. Isn't it gorgeous? This top gives you very elevated feminine touch. It has nice tie-up detail at the front which not only adds the design element but gives you that flattering sculpted fit around the waistline. It really accentuates the shape. I paired this with flared jeans from Zudio for that clean minimal look. Because this top gives that feminine vibe, I paired it with pearl accessories, these earrings, a nice pendant in same design. This gorgeous pearl bracelet. For the footwear, my clear heels again. And to add some colors to this look, again my red Leno Paris bag. This one is perfect everyday top. You can wear it in college, office, or for any casual day out. It's simple, polished, and always in style. This next piece is shirt again, but this one is totally different. It is a really long shirt in blazer style, and it looks absolutely amazing. It is in this gorgeous black color with white pinstripes, and whole look is so polished and sophisticated. If you are comfortable, you can wear it as it is as a dress, or you can pair it with really nice shorts and you are good to go. It will look really sharp and chic. But personally, I am not comfortable with any of that, so I paired it with my long fit and flare trousers from H&M, and trust me, it still looks stunning. It features coat style shirt collar and button down front, giving it that structured semi-formal look. Dark detailing at the front enhance the overall fit. Comes with regular sleeves, which keeps it clean and wearable. Even at the back, you can see the darts, which gives it a really nice shape, and overall it has such a refined and tailored fit. It is made in premium quality fabric, so it feels luxurious and falls beautifully on the body. With my black color trousers, I kept it neutral and elegant. For the styling, I paired it with these silver earrings, this nice silver bracelet. For the footwear, my black Carlton London heels, and I finished the look with my Lavi signature bag. This one is that perfect par look, stylish, classy, and effortlessly elegant. Moving on to next piece, and this one is really classic sleeveless blazer. Honestly, it is such a bold and stylish piece. It is in this classic black color, made in premium quality fabric, and overall look is so gorgeous. It has that lapel style coat collar with front button, giving it that clean structured look. Its asymmetric hemline gives it that modern edge. And look at the overall fit. It looks absolutely stunning. It sits perfectly on the body and gives that sleek, structured silhouette. Even the inner lining is super soft and comfortable. You can actually feel the quality when you wear it. I paired it with my black trousers from H&M, and for the accessories, again, same silver earrings, bracelet. For the footwear, my Carlton London heels, and finish the look with my Lavi structured bag. This outfit has boss lady energy. Sleek, elegant, and seriously powerful. And yes, last but not the least, this one is another coat style top in this gorgeous burgundy color. It's bold, vibrant, and honestly steals the show. It features round neckline. It is in sleeveless design with button down front with this V slit at the front. It has two front pockets also. They are not only stylish but add functionality too. Lining inside feels really premium and feels soft and smooth on the skin. It has princess panel design at the front, which gives it that tailored fit, and same panel design given at the back also. So overall look feels tailored and structured. Again, I paired it with my H&M's fit and flare trousers. For the accessories, I kept it same from earlier look. Simple silver teardrop earrings, this gorgeous bracelet. For the footwear, my Carlton London heels, and I finished the look with my Lavi structured bag. This piece is perfect mix of statement and sophistication. The moment you wear it, it elevates the look without being over the top. That's the wrap from this short haul from Little Box. And I am really impressed with the fit, quality, fabric, and styling detail of each piece. Every single one looked and felt premium. If you are someone who loves elegant, stylish, well fitted, and slightly experimental pieces, Little Box is worth checking out. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite look from this haul. And if you like this haul, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments what you want to see next. And I'll see you soon with another styling story. Bye.